In 10 years, AI will replace teachers. That's what Bill Gates said recently, and it raised a lot of eyebrows. Now, that doesn't mean classrooms will be full of robots or students learning from machines that look like sci-fi characters, but it does raise a big question. Can AI replace teachers? Google seems to think AI has a major role to play. They've just unveiled Project Astra, their most advanced AI learning prototype yet, obtaining powered by Gemini Live. It can see the world through smart glasses, understand changes in real time, work with tools like maps and lens to identify surroundings, and even interact with you right from your phone, all in real time. So here we are, in a world where an AI can explain algebra, correct grammar, and even help with science homework instantly. But before we get carried away, let's take a step back. For years, tech has been creeping into classrooms. Online quizzes, auto-graded assignments, learning apps, all of it has slowly become part of how students learn. But now, AI is doing more than just supporting teachers. It's starting to teach on its own. The AI in education market is expected to grow to $20 billion by 2027. Tools like Khanmigo and AI-powered tutors are being used in real schools. Some students say they learn faster this way. Some even prefer it. But is that really enough? Because when we think back to our best teachers, we remember more than lessons. We remember classroom memories, encouragement, kindness, maybe even a little tough love. AI might be fast and smart, but can it care? That's the real question. Let's talk about what's happening in classrooms right now. In some schools, students are already using AI tools like Khanmigo, an AI tutor developed by Khan Academy. It helps explain math problems, gives hints, and even walks students through tough questions step by step. One user said,
"In my opinion, the interactive exercises for mathematics are really excellent."
That sounds helpful, right? Studies show students using AI tools like this improve their understanding by up to 30% over time. But here's the thing, AI didn't do the job alone. Teachers are still there, guiding, checking in, and adjusting lessons based on what AI might miss. Because let's be honest, AI is smart, but it can still get things wrong. It might misread a question or give an answer that's technically correct but not helpful. Now, flip the story. In some classrooms, teachers are the ones using AI, not to replace themselves, but to make their teaching better. Imagine a teacher who uses AI to track which students are struggling, then adjusts the next day's lesson just for them. It saves time, reduces burnout, and gives teachers more space to focus on what matters most, connecting with their students. Because teachers listen, they understand emotions, they build confidence. So, is AI helpful? Absolutely. Is it replacing teachers? Not really, at least not yet. So now, let's talk about what's coming next. In May 2024, Google unveiled something called Project Astra. It's their most advanced AI learning system yet, powered by Gemini Live. Project Astra can actually see, hear, and respond in real time. One demo showed it helping a user fix his bicycle by finding the manual, selecting the right YouTube video, and even identifying objects. It's not hard to envision a future where students learn from an AI like this one that feels more like a smart tutor than a tool. But as impressive as that sounds, it still has limits. For example, AI like Astra can process information, but it doesn't understand people. It doesn't know when a student is feeling overwhelmed. It can't recognize if someone needs encouragement, a slower pace, or just someone to listen. That's where teachers still shine. So, instead of thinking about AI versus teachers, maybe the better question is, how can they work together? Imagine a classroom where AI handles the busy work like grading, feedback, and extra practice. That leaves teachers with more time for the stuff that matters, helping kids grow, building confidence, and creating a safe space to learn. Some schools are already trying this model, and early feedback is promising. It's not about one replacing the other. It's about balance. Bill Gates might be right that AI will play a massive role in education over the next 10 years. But even he's said that teachers are still essential for motivation, support, and inspiration. So, will AI replace teachers? Probably not, but it will change the way we learn. And that's already happening. The real challenge is making sure that change helps everyone. Thanks for watching. And would you be comfortable learning from an AI like Project Astra? Or do you still want a real teacher in the room? Let us know in the comments section below. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.